Estate planning has certainly allowed me to have more meaningful conversations with clients, right? The things that we talk about when we're talking about estate planning don't necessarily come up in other areas of financial planning. And so it's allowed me to better understand their true fears and motivations around money. As an advisor who works exclusively with founders and tech employees, they're not shy about letting me know their feedback on the technology that we implement. And I'm happy to say that I've heard nothing but great things from our clients, and Trust and Will has earned my trust from day one of implementing it with our firm. Clients tell me all the time that, you know, they've been referred to attorneys where they've had not so great experiences because they may not have anything in common with that attorney, and that attorney may not know everything going on as it pertains to their financial life. And so having me as an advisor provide education, but also lead them through the process of creating their estate plan using Trust and Will has been a great value add for our clients. They all mention how it's accessible, it's easy to use, it's convenient, and these are all aspects of technology that we look for as a firm when we're bringing in other service providers to help provide a certain experience for our clients.